Hi, I'm Mary Ellen. Recently, in my part of the country, we were blessed with some snow. We also got some ice, but that's beside the point. I enjoy taking a deep breath in and smelling the sweet smell of snow. Our respiratory systems are extremely important. As humans, we have to breathe in order to survive. When we inhale, we take in oxygen, and when we exhale, we release a gas called carbon dioxide. To breathe in, the muscle at the bottom of the chest, the diaphragm, flattens and moves downward, and the ribs move up and out. This action draws air into the lungs. The diaphragm moves upward when it relaxes, and the ribs move downward and inward to push air out of the lungs. As we zoom in for a closer look, we can see the rib cage protecting the heart and lungs. Also, the muscles between each of the ribs move the rib cage in the in and out motion when we breathe. The heart is placed in between the lungs, and the lungs are on top of the diaphragm muscle. Today we're going to do a respiratory experiment using a very ripe banana to inflate a balloon. Here are the supplies that you're going to need. We begin by peeling and smashing our very ripe banana. Once this is done, we will then place the banana into a water bottle. We used a large water bottle because that is what we have on hand. However, if you happen to drink from the smaller water bottles, those would work just as well. Once you are done with that, you simply take a balloon and place it over the top of the bottle. Then you wait for it to begin to fill with carbon dioxide. This may take a few days depending on the size of your bottle. As the balloon continues to sit there, it will produce carbon dioxide. And remember, that's the same gas that we release when we exhale. It's the carbon dioxide that will inflate the balloon. Now I want to include a little bit of art in today's science lesson. So we're going to retrieve our science notebooks and draw a picture representing what we learned today. Then below it, we can just write a simple description that describes our picture and experiment. I hope you enjoy doing this experiment with your students or with your children at home. I have left a link to the Discovery Storybook that I used in today's video in the description box below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share my video. Also, click that bell for notification. I am trying to grow my YouTube channel during the 2021 year, and all of your engagement as well as sharing my video really does help me out here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to be proud of your work, productive in your day, and positively joyful.